All right, what up, YouTube? It's 1280. It's been quite a while since I've been in this garage. It's a little crooked. So I thought I would do a quick run up and down of both doors. So let's get started with the C410. Seems to be doing good. Cold has no effect on her. Beautiful. All right, and the Pro 83. Oop. Okay, hold on. There. My parents were on a 2-week vacation and they disconnected the doors and unplugged them, so try this again. There it goes. I know I don't have bulbs in there right now. That's alright. Okay. And down. Doesn't seem like the cold really has effect on the Genie either. I know the tube is bent and everything. That's the wrong spring, and when they installed it, they over-tightened this. We're tightening the crap out of it, and it's warped this the drive thing, the screw, or I mean the tube. They've warped it. And for people asking about the Craftsman, here it is. No, it's not going on the door anytime soon. I wish I would put it on the big door, but my parents don't want me to. They will not allow it. So there is a light delay. Gotta follow the rules, so gotta do what they say. But otherwise, everything is still the same. Nothing's changed. Openers are still the same. They're still doing good. All right.